Greetings, my friends. Coca Cola Orange Cream, zero sugar, new.
Here's those mandated nutrition facts. Coca Cola Orange Cream opening of the bottle, take 2.
Very slight orange scent. Very slight orange flavor with a little bit of cream aftertaste. Orange cream Coca-Cola, zero sugar. Give it a try, I guess.
Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.
And tune in next time for my latest hot off the grill video.
Thanks for watching.